Okay, I want you to draw a motion map that has velocity and acceleration that starts from rest and accelerates. So tell me what you're doing as you do it.
Okay, so I'm drawing the object, which is a bike.
Okay? And why are you making them close together on one side and farther apart on the other?
Because you said it starts from rest and then you're getting faster.
So the bikes come farther apart as you get faster, right?
Yeah.
Farther apart. Perfect. Okay? And now is that a velocity arrow or an
Yeah.
acceleration arrow?
The velocity arrow.
Okay, and the velocity changes. And we know that because velocity is also like the word what?
Varies.
Varies. So the velocity arrow is going to get bigger as you get faster, and it's going to get smaller as you go slower. So why the arrow is getting bigger?
Because you're getting faster.
Okay, and what's the next kind of arrow that you have to draw?
The acceleration arrow.
Okay, and those are stay the same size no matter what. So you'll notice that Amanda's arrows are staying the same size every time. Okay, can you label those for me, please? No, not every time, just one, silly. Label the top one V. Good. Okay, now I want you to make one where it's going from fast to slow. Use a bike again?
Yeah.
Okay. So tell me what you're doing.
I'm making the bike go from fast to slow.
Yeah. Tell me more than that, silly.
I don't know.
Well, why are you making them far apart and then it looks like you're going to make them closer together?
Because you'll go from fast to slow.
Okay. Go ahead. Okay, good. What arrows are you going to draw first? Velocity or?
Velocity.
So your arrows are long because it's fast, and then they're getting shorter because it's getting slower. Perfect. Okay? And then that's velocity, so let's label it. Good. And then acceleration is going to, oh my gosh, why are you drawing them backwards? You're right, just
Because it's going in the negative direction.
Why is it going in the negative direction?
Because you're slowing down.
You're sort of slowing down. So basically, where's this paper? Okay, over here, it's going faster,
Yeah.
right? So that's in positive, it's faster. So you're going to look at the end one, right?
Yes.
And here, it's slower. My hand looks enormous. It's slower.
Yeah.
So it's going to end in the negative direction, right? So
Yes.
faster, the arrows would go this way. If it's going slower, the arrows would go this way.
Okay.
Okay?
Yeah.
All right. Now draw me a velocity and time and acceleration time graph for each one, please.
This thing, right?
Correct. But don't look at it.
Well, no, that's not what you're supposed to call it.
That is exactly what I'm calling it. Look, it says make a velocity time acceleration time graph.
I don't like calling it that.
What is SF?
Slow to fast.
Oh, okay. So which one does that
Just so I
correspond
know, this is number 1.
with? Okay. You got it. You got it. And that's velocity.
Yeah. Oh, my bad.
Okay. Now can you first can you label the graphs? Okay. So you're saying that this goes with that.
Yeah.
This goes with that
Yeah.
for velocity.
Yeah.
Okay. Can you explain to me why it's going from the origin up?
Because you start at 0, so you're at rest, and then you speed up, so you're going in the positive direction.
Right.
And for this one, you start at a positive direction, and
Because you're going fast.
right, and then you end in the negative direction because you're going slow.
Very good. Okay. Now can you draw me the acceleration?
Yeah.
Okay. Can you draw an arrow on it so we can tell which line is the,
Do I put an arrow on this one?
yeah. Good. Okay, explain to me why. So it looks like on this graph, you drew the acceleration on the positive line and it's staying the same, and here you drew it negatively and it's staying the same. Can you explain to me why that is?
Because here you look at what you end with, and you end in the positive direction.
Right?
And here you look what you end with here, and you end in the negative direction.
Because you're going fast up here.
Because you're going
and then
fast
slow here.
and you end slow here.
And how come the line is straight?
Because you're staying at a constant speed.
Because acceleration
Doesn't change.
doesn't change. Okay, you got it. You saw it here in live. Here she is.